Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Safe Exam Browser, also known as SEB, on your Mac. If you're preparing for an online exam that requires SEB, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Safe Exam Browser website. I'll leave the link in the video description so you can access it easily. Once you're on the website, click on Download Safe Exam Browser for Mac OS. This will start downloading the SEB installer for your Mac. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the .dmg file. A window will open showing the SEB application. Now drag the Safe Exam Browser icon into the Applications folder to install it. After that, you can close the window and move the installer to the trash. Next, open Launchpad, or go to your Applications folder and find Safe Exam Browser. Click on it to launch the app. If macOS shows a message saying the app is from an unidentified developer or downloaded from the internet, just click Open to confirm. Once SEB opens, it may ask you to load a configuration file depending on your exam setup. If your instructor or exam platform provided a .seb configuration file, just double-click it. SEB will apply all exam settings and lock your Mac into the secure exam environment. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Safe Exam Browser on your Mac. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future tech guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your exam.